Hi folks, and welcome to the video segment of 1-800-GUNSANDAMMO.com. I'm your host, Trampas Swanson. In my article this week, I'm taking a look at our newest 300 blackout build off of Spike's Tactical Lower, featuring the 1x8 Strike Eagle from our friends at Vortex Optics. We're running a 30 caliber can from AAC called the SD, and as an added bonus, we have our friend and local hunting guide Kevin Fulford here to check out some of his favorite loads through this can. So stay tuned and let's go to the range. So we're going to start off with a 150 grain load from our good friends at Fancy Brass Company. So now we're going to try the same 150 grain load run through the AAC SD 30 caliber can. So now we're going to try the 110 grain VMAX by Hornady Custom. So now we're going to try a 3-shot suppressed through the AAC can with the same 110 VMAX from Hornady. So now we're going to switch to a Remington's 220 grain load open tip and see how it performs. So now running the 220 grain Remington bullet through the AAC QD can, we're going to forego the ears and try it out. Much quieter. So now we're going to switch loads again to the new Hornady Black Series 208 grain AMAX bullet. Now we're back running the 208 grain Hornady Black suppressed this time. Let's try it out. So that about wraps up our time here in the swamp. Hope you enjoyed all the fun Kevin and I had here on the range. And as always, don't forget to check out the full article at 1-800-GUNSANDAMMO.com. Till next time, have a safe hunting season.